The Treasury Acting Cabinet Secretary, Ukur Yattani, says he cannot authorize the release of any funds to the counties without advice from the Attorney General, even as his ministry met with the Council of Governors, the Senate and the Controller of Budget to forestall a shutdown. There is, however, no consensus on how much the base figure should be. NTV's Kennedy Muredi has the details.
A meeting at the Senate chamber bringing together the Senate, National Treasury, Council of Governors, Controller of Budget and the Attorney General was the first in a series of meetings planned to ensure counties can at least access a percentage of revenue for daily operations as the stalemate over the division of revenue bill drags on in Parliament. The Treasury came with an offer.
We propose that 50% of 310 can be used and the counties can access the funding from the consolidated fund.
The better option would be to use the division of revenue for the previous year. In this particular case, Waziri, and congratulations on your appointment, we have confirmed that you have actually sent to counties 314 billion and not 310.
Instead of 50%, why don't we give them 70%?
The reason as to why we are arguing with 310 is because the 316 or 320 something has not been agreed upon.
However, the issue of how much will be the base caused even more divisions, as the National Treasury insisted on 310 billion shillings, a climb down from the 314 billion shillings the government gave in the 2018-2019 financial year.
Base figures can come to haunt you later. That 310, we agree it will come to haunt us later. In fact, I'm wondering why it is pegged on the 310.
Last year and Kara last year was a 314. There was an attempt to reduce that figure by 9 billion by National Treasury, and they attempted to bring a revised Dora and Kara to Parliament, and they chickened out.
The lawyers who represented the Office of the Attorney General could not make any decision on their own, thus were asked to go consult the AG. The AG was given until Wednesday evening to give his views, as Senate wants monies dispersed to counties immediately. If for whatever reason the Attorney General does not agree with the proposals that will have come out of what has been discussed today, then counties will be left with nothing else other than to stare at a more difficult time, as both houses of parliament are on recess and none of them actually wants to budge on the way forward. Kennedy Muredi, NTV at Parliament Buildings.